Hi, this is Jason, Platinum Tools. Today I'd like to introduce to you the new VDV MapMaster 3.0. It's our new voice, video, and data tester. Let's see how it works. Okay, the VDV MapMaster 3.0. Let's go over the different modes. Here you'll see we have mode for testing data cables, video cables, phone cables, tone generation, and link light. This will flash the LED light on your switch or router to help locate cable on a switch.
This feature makes it easy to locate active Ethernet runs to your switch by the flashing LED light.
Let's go to the data testing. Here, plug the cable into the unit. The nice thing about this test is it'll do a one-ended test. Now you did a one-ended pre-test. It tells you the cable has passed. You take the remote off, plug the cable into the remote. Now you'll be able to do a full test of your cable. And your test passes, gives you length of cable and ID. You can ID cables up to 8 locations using a remote like this. Unit also has a very large backlit LCD screen. The unit also has an LED flashlight to help locate cables in low-lit environments. The VDV MapMaster 3.0 also comes in 3 professional kits. If you have any questions, please contact PlatinumTools.com.